the mirrors in my house. I hate my nose, eyes, and my mouth. I hate the jokes I laugh about. I hate the hoes I'm sad about.